So we are here on day 10 in the East Coast, and you can tell we're on the Atlantic Ocean at the Outer Banks in North Carolina. It's been about 5 years since we have been to the Atlantic Ocean and out here on the Outer Banks. And a lot windier today than I remember being out here, but it comes and goes. We make the best of it. It is windy, so probably won't be talking too much, but I'm just gonna enjoy the time at the beach. So we can't pitch on the dune or around the grass, but we could be in between the dunes. The dunes are protected. The grass keeps the dunes intact. They keep them intact so we're not eroding away. I just dropped the lens cap for this and I got sand everywhere, so we'll be playing with that, trying to get the sand out of it.
My God, it's floating.
You didn't like it?
Yeah, because it got salt in my mouth.
It got salt in your mouth.
Alright, so here we are at the end of day 10, and great time at the beach. Now we're at my parents' river house watching sunset. It was a little cloudy, but still it is a great sunset. So thank you for watching. I'm going to leave you right here to enjoy the sunset, and I'm going to go enjoy my family. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.